Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Hopefully you all are fine. It's me, your maths tutor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about the solution region of linear inequalities and how to represent the solution of those linear inequality in xy plane. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Exercise 5.1, and we have question number 3. Shade the solution region of the following linear inequalities in xy plane. So what is linear and what do you mean by inequalities? For example, I am going to write here 2x plus 7y is equal to 10. So I already mentioned that what is inequality in my last video. So here I'm going to tell what is the linear inequality. Linear inequality means the variable that are appearing in the given inequality, like 2x plus 7 is less or equal to 10. This equal sign is replaced by less or equal, so it becomes a inequality. And what is linear? The variable having highest degree as 1. So these both variables that are appearing in this inequality having highest degree 1. So this is linear inequality. The next is xy plane. What is xy plane? Xy planes means you have a Cartesian plane. And what is Cartesian plane? Xy plane, it consists of 4 quadrant and are known as this axis as x-axis. This is our y-axis, this is y prime axis, and this is x prime axis. Okay, this is our origin, that is O, and here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate both are 0 at the origin. Here positive numbers can be taken 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here also positive integers will be taken, and along y prime axis or y bar axis we take negative integers, and similarly on x prime axis we take negative integers. And we will find the solution of given inequality. Means we have to find the value of x and y, and then we will plot those points and those solution on xy plane, and how will they be plotted on this xy plane. Okay, now let's start question number 3. This question number 3 and part number 1. 2x plus y is less or equal to 6. We have to write its associated equation first. Associated equation. And what do you mean by associated equation? Associated equation of 1 can be written as 2x plus y is equal to 6. So that we have to find the solution set, means we have to find the value of x and y. These both are the variables appearing in this inequality. Okay, for finding the solution we will take first x-intercept, and x-intercept means y is equal to 0. So take y equals to 0 in equation number 2. So 2 implies that 2x plus y 0 is equal to 6, where 2x is equal to 6, which implies that x is equal to 6 by 3. We get x is equal to 2. So we get a point A where x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Now find y-intercept. For y-intercept we must take x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So 2 implies that 2 in place of x we have 0 plus y is equal to 6. Two zeros are 0 plus y is equal to 6, which implies that y equals 6. So we have another point B. Here y coordinate is 6 and x coordinate is 0. See, so these both are the points and the solution sets of this given inequality. Let's have to check a test point. Testing point. What is testing point? Testing point is always taken as origin 0 0. Here x coordinate is 0, y is 0. We have to put this coordinate, this value, these values of x and y in given inequality. So 1 implies that 2 x0 plus y0 is less or equal to 6. We have 0 plus 0 is less or equal to 6. So 0 is less or equal to 6. Is 0 is less than 6? Yes, definitely 0 is less than 6. So this condition is true. It means this inequality is satisfied for this point 0 0. So what is the purpose to check the testing point? Let's have to make an xy plane. Sorry, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is y prime axis, this is x prime axis, and this is 0. Okay, the first point is a, that is 0 1 2 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here negative integers 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, and I'm going to take here the values of y, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Point A is 2 0. Here x coordinate is 2 and y is 0, so this will be our required point A. And B is 0 6. So this is x 0 and y is 6, so this is our point B. Now we will join these 2 points together with a line. So this is our B point, this is A point. Now which solution, which area is going to be shaded, because in this question we have to shade the solution region. Okay, now check this testing point. It is satisfying this inequality, means this condition is true. If it is true, then we have to shade the region towards the origin, because this inequality is satisfying the origin. Okay, origin point is satisfied for this inequality, so we have to shade all the area towards origin like this. अगर यहाँ पे false होता तो फिर हम शेड करते region away from the line. I hope it is clear to you. For condition true, we have to shade the region towards the origin, and if it is false, then you have to shade the area away from the line, away from the origin. Okay students, let's move towards 2. In part number 2, A is 3x plus 7y is greater or equals to 21. This is our equation 1, and now I am going to write it associated equation of 1 is 3x plus 7y is equal to 21. This is equation number 2. Now for x intercept, we have y is equal to 0 in equation number 2. So 2 implies that 3x plus 7 0 is equal to 21, which implies that 3x is equal to 21 and x is equal to 7. So point A would be x7 and y is 0. For y-intercept we take x is equal to 0 in equation number 2, which implies that 3 0 plus 7y is equal to 21, and it shows that 7y is equal to 21 and y will become 3. So B point is y coordinate is 3 and x coordinate is 0. So these are the 2 points A and B. Let's check testing point for the given inequality. So put x and y 0 0 in equation number 1. 3 0 plus 7 0 is greater or equals to 21. 0 plus 0 is greater or equals to 21 implies that 0 is greater or equal to 21. Is 0 is greater than 21? No, this condition is false. Mean origin 0 0 does not satisfy the inequality number 1. So what will be the region is going to be shaded. So this is our x-axis, this is y-axis, y prime, this is x prime, and this is our origin. This is y, this is y prime, this is x prime. So student, take the points on these axes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Similarly along y-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6. On negative y-axis, on negative x-axis. Okay, point A is 7 0. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and this is 7 0. Here x is 7 and y is 0. B is 0 3 1 2 3 4 5. This is 0 and this is 3. So we have to join these 2 points together. Now which area would be shaded away from the line, because at testing point the given inequality is false. So this is our point B. Let's point A representing 7 0, and this is point B, that is 0 3, and this line is for the given inequality. Okay, like this, 3x plus 7y is greater or equals to 21. Okay, now we will move towards next question. The next we have part number 3 can be done exactly on the same lines like 1 and 2. 4 will be done exactly as same as we did 1 and 2. Now part number V, 2x plus 1 is greater or equals to 0. Here we can see that only one variable is appearing in this inequality. So if this one variable, then what will he have to do? So first of all, write its associated equation, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that 2x is equal to minus 1, and this implies that x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here is understood that y is equal to 0. So what will be the point? Minus 1 by 2, and y is 0. So check the testing point for this inequality. Equation 1 implies that 2 0 plus 1 is greater or equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is greater or equals to 0, and 1 is greater or equal to 0. This is true condition because 1 is greater than 0, so this is true, and we have to shade the region towards the origin. So now make the xy plane. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, this is y prime axis, and it is x prime axis. This is origin 0 0. Here we have to take 1 2 3 4, and -1 -2 -3 -4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's represent this point on xy plane. We have x coordinate, that is -1 by 2. Here this 0, this is -1, this is -2, then -1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Okay, so it is in between -2 and -1 because here it is -1. So this would be our required point, that is -1 by 2. So what will be the equation line of this inequality? Then if the axis is x-axis, then line must be parallel to y-axis. Okay, line is vertical line. So what would be the graph for given inequality is like this: the vertical line along y-axis if there is a value of x-axis. So the condition is true, we will shade like this towards origin. I hope you are now very clear about the concepts of finding the solution set of linear inequalities and how to shade them on an xy plane. And this is the line for this inequality: 2x plus 1 is greater or equals to 0. Okay student, if you have any query, any confusion about this topic, then please ask in a comment section. And if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We will meet again with another video. Stay safe, stay happy, take care, bye bye.